Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to print prime numbers from 1 to 100. So given the starting and ending range, that is starting range is 1 and 100 is the ending range. So your task is to iterate all the numbers present in this particular range and find out the prime numbers. So and finally print them. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So before going to the code, so let us try to understand what is a prime number. So a number which has two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So for example, let's take 3 and 4. These are the two numbers that I have taken. So if we see the factors of this particular value, that is 3, 1 and 3 are the only numbers that can completely divide the 3. So if we take out the factors of 4, so 1, then we have 2, then we have 4, that is a number itself. Since the factors are more than 2, that is not equals to 2, this is not a prime number. And since only that is 3 has only two factors, so let's term it as prime number. So our task is to find only this particular type of number and print it as a output. So that is a problem statement. So now once we are done understanding what is a prime number, so let us try to write a code. So let me take two variables, that is starting and ending. Let's take start is equals to 2 and end is equals to 100. So the reason I am taking start as starting range as 2 and not 1 is because 1 has only one factor, and since 1 has only one factor, so it cannot be a prime number. So the starting range is 2 generally. So now let us try to print a user friendly message. So before going to the logic, that is writing a logic, so let me copy paste the same, that is prime numbers from 1 to 100 are, copy and paste it over here, or let's give dot dot dot. Now let us try to write a logic. So we have to iterate all the numbers present in this particular range. Let's use the for loop for, that is, let's take variable, that is temporary variable number in, let's take range of start to end plus 1. So the reason I'm using n plus 1 is because I have to use a inclusive value, that is 100 as well. So now let us try to take another for loop to in order to get the factors. So for num, that is, let's take index in range of the numbers below it. That means we have to take from 2 up to, so we have to use the math dot square root. So let me import that. So yeah, from math, so I need to import square root. This is the function, so that will reduce the, that is number of iterations we are trying to perform. So until the divisible range, that is square root of the number. So this is the numbers below it. So we have to convert this particular, that is values, to an integer type and add plus 1. So we are trying to get the numbers below it until the square root of the given number, and we will be trying to divide the index, that is number, by the index. So if number is completely divisible by the numbers below it, that is index is equals to 0, so then you have to exit the for loop. Since you got the number which is completely divisible, so which can, that is the numbers below the given number that can completely divide the number, so then you have to exit the for loop since this is not a prime number. So else, you just take a else block within the for loop and try to print the number. So this is a prime number. So if this particular statement is true, so then you have found a non-prime number. So if this particular statement, that is the else block, is true, so then you have found a that is a prime number. So this is a complete Python program to print the prime numbers, that is by trying to divide the numbers that are below within the given number. So yeah, so let me try to execute this program and let me show you how it works running the main program. So you can see prime numbers starting from 1 to 100 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and it goes up to 97. Yeah, you can see over here starts from 2 and goes up to the 97 value. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print prime numbers from 1 to 100. So if the problem statement changes something like 1 to 50 or 1 to 500 or 1 to 250, so you can just change this particular value, that is the end range. And also if the starting range also changes something like 20 to 250 or 20 to 100, so you can just change the value over here. Yeah, so let me change it back 1 to 100. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print prime numbers from 1 to 100. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.